Hello guys, welcome to X-Tech Review. Today I am gonna show you how to make a pop-up bell icon for your YouTube channel. This is the bell icon frame. You can download it from the description below. Then I will show you how to make the video like this. So let's get started. For this you have to have the Movie Video Editor Business Edition. As far as I know, other edition will not work in this video. So let's open it. First drag the frame, the bell icon frame from your download folder. Now add your channel logo. And keep your channel logo like this. Now you have to add text. You can add any type of text from this, all according to your preferences. Then move it here. Now change the text you want to write and change the color also. Now place it here. And the work is almost finished. So change the length little bit here to comply with the logo length. So here it is. Perfect. Now export it. Now I will show you how to add this pop-up bell icon in your working video. Now create a new project and then add your video where you want to add this bell icon. Now first copy the exported file here, then copy the main video file you want to add on. And the both file have to place like this. Now position the bell icon file where you want to appear in your video. You can make this on the entire video, or you can make this a small portion of the video. So here is a problem. You can now only see the green screen and the bell icon. You cannot see the main video. So you have to activate the chroma key. Click on chroma key and apply. Now see, the green screen has been gone, and now our video has been completed. So you can now export your video and publish it to your channel or anywhere else. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and like and comment below your thoughts about this, and suggest me any improvement you want. So no more today. Allah Hafiz.